Hi everyone, this is Boss Lady, and I decided I want to do a video today on my hair since I always get asked so much what type of hair I wear. I wear Paris hair extensions, www.parishairextensions.com. So today I decided I'll do a little video and show you how I do my hair. Most of the time I wear curly hair. That's what I like. But today I decided to straighten it out a little bit because my own hair is natural curly. So for all the ladies and girls who have natural curly texture hair, you know how it is, if water or sweat or heat or something like that hit it, it just shrink up and frizz up real bad. So I just thought I'd show y'all, and I don't like to apply heat to my hair too often, at least not every day, every blue moon. And I do wear extensions. I wear wigs, bundles, but most of the time, you're gonna catch me in clip-ins. And all of this is clip-ins. I hardly ever get a sew-in because I really don't like those. And to me, these are the best things that I found for my natural curly hair. And plus, I like it because with this, it's versatile. I could change my hair and do it any kind of way I want to, put my part anywhere I want to. Just take my clip in and out, put it wherever I want to. So let me show y'all how I do my hair. This is how I do. I'm going to flat iron a little bit, show y'all how I do this. Flat iron my hair. And then I'll blend it in with my extensions. And remember, these are clip-ins. Same thing on this side. And one thing, I don't own the right to this music. But I get this question all the time. Boss Lady, what type of hair you got in your hair? Ooh, I like your hair. Where you get it from? So hey, today I decided to represent a Paris hair. It's the only kind of hair I wear, Paris. I like the hair because it don't shed. I haven't had any shedding with this hair. Look. But I have been playing today. I have put some mousse in it. And then, I shouldn't have did that, but I did. Let me show y'all. Oh, the clip-ins. Let me show y'all how they look. Hold on. And they real easy to take out. Most of the time I just do like this and start clipping them. And I'm going to show y'all how to take them out. Okay. And here goes the clip-ins right here. This is how they look. For those who want to know about clip-ins, they're really the best thing to me. Most people I know prefer wigs, lace fronts, frontals, closures, but this is what I prefer. And most people have said, oh, that's not for our type. Yes, it is. Black women, African American women who wear clip-ins because, as far as I can tell, this is my skin color, and I wear clip-ins. And oh, please forgive me because I usually have on a full face of makeup for those who know me. And today I don't want to put any on. So for this video, you're going to see Natural Boss Lady. And they real easy to put back in. All you do is put them back in. Undo them. And you can put them anywhere you want. I like these because if I want to, like I said, I could put them up here, clip, then do me an updo. If I want to put my part over here, put them like that, clip, clip. Real easy. So let me stick these back in right quick. And that's it. It's back in there. I don't have to be sitting down waiting on no sew in and waiting on nobody to be trying to do my hair. This, I can do myself. And like I said, I got the body wave, deep body wave in. And it blends in real good with my hair. I have to flat iron my hair if I wanted to blend in good because, like I said, my hair is natural curly, real curly. But I thought I would show y'all how it looked. And that's it. And let me show y'all the back of this hair. So that's the back of it. But like I said, I decided today, y'all who know me know I don't do videos or talk on live, but today, that's what I want to do. I feel like it. And if y'all have anything y'all want to say or ask me, comment, leave your comment below in the comments, and I'll answer it. Also, if it's something else you want me to do, some type of hairstyle or something you want me to model or anything, any suggestions, just let me know and I'll do it. But like I said, I love these. So now you don't have to ask anymore. Boss lady wear clip-ins a lot because they're versatile. And I don't have a toothbrush for the ladies who know about toothbrushing the baby hair, so I can't do my baby hair. I need to, but I don't have a toothbrush. But like I say, sometimes I put my little extensions to the side. Sometimes I try to get away with it working, just wear it down my back. Not too often, so I don't get in trouble. Sometimes to the side. But most of the time, if you see me at work, I'm going to have it clipped up, like I said, in a ponytail. Because I'm not allowed to wear my hair down at work. But this is what I'm doing. Most people think I probably have weave, some do, but they didn't know I was wearing clip-ins. Like that when I'm at work. But maybe next time, if I decide to do another video, I'll put some makeup on. But y'all who know me used to see me with makeup on all the time. But like I said today, natural face is what you get. And yes, I love the wigs, the weaves, and all that. So all you men who are watching, don't even try. You keep your comment to yourself. Because now you know, this boss lady, I do what I want, and I'm going to wear this weave. One more time. I don't own the rights to this music. It's just playing. And I've had this head of hair for years, so I kind of know what to do with it. I like to think I do, being that I have my cosmetology license. I've had those over 20 plus years. I do not practice anymore, but I still remember how to take care of this head and what to do. So tonight, this is what I'm doing, playing in my clip-ins. This hair is natural, curly, I say deep wave, but I have been messing in it. You can kind of see back here the texture, but I have straightened this part out some just to see how it would do. But it blended good with my hair. See? I got clip-ins right here. So let me show you. See? Clip, just clip it, clip. And when I want to unclip, and sometimes if I want to at night come home and I don't want no hair in, I can take it out, clip, unclip. And I put them to the side, and when I get ready to go back to work or, hey, be that boss lady for the day, I clip them all back in, put on that full face of makeup, and hey, I'm ready for duty. So, now y'all know. I said, if there's anything you want me to do, leave it in the comments. But always somebody stop me and ask, hey boss lady, what kind of hair is that? I'm rocking Paris hair extensions. Two bags of clippings. You get these, you don't have to be waiting on no hairdresser to say, hey, I can take you at this time, do a sew in on you. When I'm going to sew your hair in, do it yourself and be out of there. Because some days, I don't have time waiting on nobody trying to do a sew in or do a lace front. And for the ladies know, hey, the glue or the sew in lace front, I do like those, but I don't have time to wait. I'm very impatient about things like that. I'm the type that really like to go. When I want something done, I want it right then. I don't like going to no beauty shop and having to wait no 5, 6, 7 hours because you got all these other clients and I got to wait for you to just put on my wig so I could be ready for duty and go. But like I said, baby, these the best thing they could have came out with for me. Clip-ins. So my suggestion is go on over to Paris Hair website, www.parishair.com, parishairextensions.com, and order you some of these clip-ins. But they have other things. They have everything you like to wear. Lace fronts. They have frontals. They have 360. They have 613 hair. They have deep wave, Peruvian bundles, all type of bundles. But I tell you, that Peruvian, that's some good hair. I love the way the texture of their hair. They have all kinds of lace fronts, and they look like it's coming out your scalp. And maybe later on I'll do a video on the lace fronts. Like I said, and the hair don't shed. I like it. And at night, sometimes I come and I'll twist it. Ladies, y'all know how we do it. Do it like this, twist it up, then I'll put it up or whatever. Hey, it just depends on what I want to do. Like I said, if I want to take it all out, I do that too. But y'all can see, I will play in this hair almost all day until I have something to do. But I'm just trying to let y'all see my hair. And sometimes I like that messy look. Be going for that, y'all know, that messy bedroom look. That sexy look. But y'all get it how it is. And those who know me know I love to take pictures. I'll do a selfie in a minute. And for those who don't know me, now you do. They call me Boss Lady. And those who always wanted to know, how do I talk? How do I sound? I'm very, very, very country. I have a very deep southern accent. So, hey, it is what it is. And I'm about done. So, y'all have a blessed day. Peace from me, Boss Lady. And I'm out. Take care, guys.